Hello, crypto exchangers, and welcome. In today's video, I want to discuss something that not a lot of people are talking about right now, and that is the death cross in the DXY, or the US dollar basket of currencies. A death cross is typified by the crossing of the 50 and the 200 moving averages here, represented by the green and the red lines. Now, because the basket of currencies, the US dollar is pegged to many other currencies globally, um, other other currencies are experiencing difficulties as well. What we can see here um, is we topped out on this trend line, which actually goes back over 2 years to just about January, February of 2018 was its first touch point, and it's touched 2, 3, 4 times since that. Um, Bringing this up to the current day, if we go ahead and take a measurement from, well, we topped out right here at 99.66. Add to our current closing right now, we've lost over 2.75%, or 2.78%, in roughly 94 days. This is very, very significant and coincides exactly with the Federal Reserve repo operations, money printing, basically. In 94 days, we've lost over 2.75% of the purchasing power of the dollar, which is very, very significant. Another thing that is very interesting is we have we bottomed out here at about 96.34, and since then, this is the daily chart, so each one of these candles represents one day. Couple days back, we tested up and met resistance at 97.10, and here today again we tried to break through the 97.10 ceiling and were rejected. However, the day has not concluded yet. I will keep an eye on this in the coming days, but anytime we see a death cross like this, it's typified by a sharp decline in price. The last time that happened was back here on the 24th of May 2017. We'll go ahead and take a measured move. So price dipped. Oh, it's very hard to get a very accurate. Price dipped by over 9% the last time we had a death cross, and this is a very bearish scenario after being on this uptrend for about 2 years. Um, we can see that price broke through the 50-day back here on the 11th of October, which again directly coincides with Federal Reserve repo operations. We crashed through the trend line on the 17th of October, and we found a little bit of temporary support along the 200. We bounced back up. We met resistance at the 50, got pushed back down, and right about here at the trend reversal, we got rejected at 98.35, and ever since then we've been on a downtrend. So this is very, very significant. for any trader or investor. Um, not not just if you are watching the forex markets. It's also very significant for the other commodities, gold and even crypto. If we go ahead and take a look now at the gold spot market and against the US dollar, we can see gold is up now 1.5% in the last 24 hours. We go ahead and look at a full featured chart here on TradingView. We can see that gold has almost gone parabolic. It's almost like in a bull flag right here, currently sitting at $1,551.06 per ounce. So buckle up. Happy New Year. I hope wherever you are, you're safe and happy, dry and warm. Or in the case of folks down in Australia, just safe. I really hope that everybody gets out safely and the firefighters get um, firefighting efforts, the fire under control. That's one of my big thoughts here today. And the death cross that's taking place in the DXY and the ramifications that's going to have for the basket of currencies that it's pegged to, the current state of world affairs with Iran, and I personally wondering whether or not this coincides with escalating tensions between the United States and Iran. Um, I hate to say this, but war is good for the economy, and if your economy is in a slump, picking a fight, starting a war with somebody might be kind of a easy solution to a worsening problem. So we're going to keep an eye on this in the coming days, and if necessary, we will go ahead and create a couple new videos. If you like this content, go ahead and click the like button. Go ahead and smash the bell. Subscribe to our channel. We're going to try and publish as much relevant information for our trade as possible here, and as much as possible we want to provide content that's not on all of the other channels, the things that people are not reporting. We don't want to repeat what other people are saying. We want to look at the charts, and we want to report based on the developments of the day. So this is, in my opinion, very bullish for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, though it's not actually showing. We did have a bump yesterday, and currently we're about 0.6% off. Bitcoin is sitting at 72.91. Interesting. The S&P 500 volatility index, or the VIX, is up 12, almost 12.5%. Oh yeah. And of course, with escalating tensions in the Middle East, we've seen a spike in crude oil at 3% to bring us to 63.02 per barrel. So very interesting events taking place here in the charts in the new year, and stay tuned. Check back with our channel, subscribe for notifications, and we'll see you soon.